We would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor, GoldieBlox, who partnered with us to make this video. I'm Froggy, and we are going to hack along with GoldieBlox, where we take the projects from their YouTube channel and make them in miniature, so they're doll-sized. And we've made so many of Goldie's projects that we need somewhere to put them all. Let's make Goldie's room! Alright, let's do it! I am going to use blue foam board to make the room. On the back side of the foam board, I use a ruler to draw a 12 by 12 square and a 12 by 15 rectangle. Cut on the lines drawn, and remember to always have adult supervision when working with sharp objects. Cut another 15 by 12 rectangle, so we have 3 pieces. Turn one of the rectangles over, and we're going to use this one for the floor. Glue the square on one side, take the other rectangle, use a ruler to draw, then cut out a window. On a scrap piece of foam board, I cut out a frame, cut a piece of clear plastic from packaging, glue it over the cutout, glue the frame on top to make a window, glue the wall to the floor to make a corner room. Cut leftover foam board into rectangles, glue them together with the white side facing out to make a platform. Make white covers and pillows to go on the bed. Use foam board or covered cardboard to make a cube shelf like we did in our doll unicorn room. We can place our doll hydraulic stand in the room, but we're going to have to cut a hole in the bottom of the bed. So I mark and measure where to cut, then cut it out, so the tubes can go underneath the bed. And we can still operate our hydraulic table. Take leftover foam board, cut out an L shape, roll paper tubes, glue the paper tubes underneath, then glue it into the room to make a desk. Cut another piece of foam board that is the same length as the desk on the wall. Use a ruler and a pencil to make dots to make a pegboard. Glue it on the wall above the desk. These are some displays from Shopkins blind boxes. I am going to glue them right onto the wall to make wall shelves. Now it's time to decorate. I covered the bed with fabric so it looks like a mattress. Glue mini pom-poms onto the bedding for a splash of color. Cut leftover foam board into squares and rectangles, then cover it with cutouts from magazines to make books that we can place on the shelves. Use stickers to decorate the pegboard. You can also cut Q-tips, push them into the board so you can hang many tools that we found at the craft store. Roll paper tubes and colored paper, cut the ends off of a popsicle stick, glue them onto the sides, place the rolls of tape on a cut toothpick, glue the toothpick between the ends of the popsicle stick to make a tape holder to glue onto the wall. Add the stool from our Sister's Dollhouse bedroom video. Take a strip of paper and draw notches to look like a ruler. Glue it going around the edge of the desk. For a fun trim, fill the shelves with mini toys, jars of beads. I got a little dinosaur here. I'm gonna put that on the shelf. This robot sticker looks cute on the wall. Add tiny toys in front to distract the eye. Trace a circle on poster board, cut it out, cut thin strips of metallic scrapbook paper, glue them around the back of the circle, glue a circle of poster board in the center, then continue gluing the silver strips going around. Make a hole in the center, make a hole in the wall, cut a Q-tip, place it in the wall, place the wheel on the Q-tip, glue a button onto the Q-tip so the wheel can spin. Cut felt to make the pieces of a pencil. Then place them good side to good side and sew around the edges, leaving an opening so it can be turned inside out. Add fluff, add details to make a pencil pillow. And now we have a room inspired by Goldie's, where we can store some of our favorite hacks. This is so cool! Now I have a place to store some of my favorite inventions. And come up with ideas for new ones. I can sit behind the desk and pretend that I am Goldie. Awesome! Be sure to check out GoldieBlox's YouTube channel to see her room life-size. And I heard that she is making a Rube Goldberg machine. What is a Rube Goldberg machine, you ask? It is a machine that is designed to do a simple task in like a domino effect. So cool! Thank you for joining us while we hacked along with GoldieBlox. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!